already had the Quick app on here, and I didn't. I don't know what the hell, man.
I'm gonna see if I can screw around with my Ooh. Okay, let's see if I can record. See, it won't let me zoom in.
Oh, that was low. It sucked. Damn trees. Of course.
What's the whack?
Because the trees are in the way.
Why they gotta do the small one? Alright. Can we do the big ones now?
There we go.
Yay!
Oh, those are the loud ones.
I zoomed in too much.
Nothing like fireworks.
Hell yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh, that's the lines of the power. I was wondering. I was like, what the hell is that? I forgot.
Dude,
I'm feeling it right
I
now.
zoomed in so much, it makes it look like they're like right on top. They're like mad close, yo.
Hell yeah. When I was little, I was like, oh, I want those to fall on me. And then they're like, oh, you don't want that because it'll burn you.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
Hell yeah, I like
Too bad
that
it
one.
didn't show up in, like, nice colors in the phone, though.
Well, mine's coming up the colors that are showing that I'm recording.
Should have brought my real video camera. That would have been better. But whatever. I didn't think, of course. Whatever. That was good. How they make fireworks?
Yeah, I think I was at your house when they showed that.
Really?
Yeah, it was like a place in like
Long time ago, right?
Last year, I think.
Yeah.
There was like a place in Pennsylvania that were showing like all different types and like how they make the colored ones and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, everybody's missing out on this.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe everybody likes something. It's real cool. I have cool friends.
I smell electrical.
I smell my car.
That's what I'm saying, like electrical stuff.
Thanks. You make me worry now.
No, no, no.
Or it could
should
just
be okay.
or it could just be here.
Yeah, maybe.
I think it might be out here.
Something's on my ear. Get off, get off, get off.
See, this would be great if it was convertible. So just put the seats back and just record from that.
Hell yeah.
That's gonna be my next car, convertible. Even though I love my stuff.
We gonna make this a convertible.
No, that's okay.
Aw.
I want my
Why?
son.
You'll be the only one with a convertible like this.
Why did it stop? See,
Because
now it
it's
stopped.
a Whackberry.
But it didn't tell me why it stopped. You suck, phone.
Exactly. Whackberry. iPhone is the busiest.
Where are you going?
Wow, 15 minutes passed. It's still going.
Oh yeah, it's 9:30.
Connecticut finale maybe soon.
Not yet.
Wow, 15.
I told you like 20 minutes, I think. Either
Oh yeah,
20
because it's Connecticut. That's why I forgot.
No, even in the high school, it's like 15 minutes.
I guess.
No, it is. I timed it last year.
Oh.
I'm gonna be pissed if I can't post this up on Facebook. Because I'm missing like all the pictures.
Well, the thing is, I gotta chop it like in 3 parts. Or maybe more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it to YouTube and then from YouTube to Facebook. Maybe. I love 4th of July. It's the best time.
Hell yeah. I think I only like it because of the fireworks.
Yeah. Always the best. Maybe tomorrow I'll pick up a few.
I always
Let's
liked
go.
it as a kid.
Hell yeah. It's the best. Like, those are my favorite times. Like, 4th of July, Christmas, and Halloween.
My Halloween, well, I used to like Halloween. I used to.
Well, it's next to your birthday.
Well, it's 2 weeks out. 2 weeks before. I like that.
Oh, you hear the other fireworks in the background?
Uh-huh.
It must
That's
be coming
Todd's
from...
Point.
Oh, yeah. That's where we
I
went
told
last
you
time.
Todd's Point is doing it too.
Yeah.
That's so weird. They have 2 places going at the
Crazy.
same night. It's like, how retarded.
Rachel went to the one White Plains High School yesterday.
Oh, I had a friend that went there yesterday.
And then she said they're going to have another one again at the White Plains High School on 4th. I'm like,
Oh,
how are they
really?
going to have it twice? Like, really?
The one at the Kensington Dam is good.
Oh, yeah? I didn't know they had them there.
Yeah, it's tomorrow. I got 3 minutes of recording.
Oh, wow. Here we go. They always
That
do
didn't
that
show
one.
up on my phone.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow. I got that one.
I don't know. It didn't like really come up. Why is my light on?
What the hell was that?
It's my flashlight.
Oh.
It's like, oops. It's like weird. Why are you clapping? It's not the finale.
Everybody hears all our commentary. Oh, look.
I got it. There I go.
I guess that's something else.
Yeah, usually remember.
Oh, I like that one.
I
That was
love
good.
those ones.
Hell yeah. Yo, we should go to Pennsylvania, yo. Y'all heard, you know? They
Stacy
only
went down
sell
there.
to New York people.
Really?
I don't know. It's weird. I don't understand
I
how.
don't know. Stacy and Danny went a few years ago.
Really?
Yeah, they went like.
Yo, we should go. Oh, man, yo. I want to go. I've been there, but
Yeah, I never
I didn't
been
have
there.
my license, so...
Oh.
Andrew went in for me.